Welcome. If you're looking to update the name of a link in your Telegram group using the PC app after the latest update, you're in the right place. Whether you want to make your invite links clearer or just keep your group organized, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process. First, open the Telegram app on your computer. Make sure you're logged in with the account that has admin rights to the group you want to manage. Next, from your chat list, find and open the group where you want to change the link name. Only group admins can make this change, so double-check you have the necessary permissions. Once you're inside the group, look to the top right corner of the window. Click on the three dots to open the Group Options menu. From the drop-down, select Manage Group. This will take you to the group management settings, where you can adjust various aspects of your group. In the Management menu, find and click on Invite Links. Here, you'll see all the active invite links for your group. Each link allows new members to join, and you can customize them for different purposes or audiences. Next to the link you want to rename, click on the three dots. This will open a small menu with several options. Choose Edit from the list. Now you'll see a field where you can change the link name. Enter your new desired name. Make it something clear and memorable for your group members. After you've typed in the new link name, click Save to confirm your changes. Once you're done, click Done to exit the settings. And that's it. You've successfully changed the name of an invite link in your Telegram group using the PC app. This small update can make a big difference in how you manage and share your group with others. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to stay tuned for more tips on making the most of Telegram's latest features. Thanks for watching, and good luck managing your group.